Hey guys, wanna know how to download Steampunk Frontier in PUBG Mobile? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. PUBG Mobile should automatically download Steampunk Frontier on your mobile when you're first downloading it. So if you still do not have it, you can just simply head towards this map icon right here. And once you've clicked on it, right here on the first rectangle map, you should see this download icon like thing right here, like you see in other maps. And after that, your event should be successfully downloaded. You can also do something else, like right up here you can see this download icon. Simply press on it and that sorts up for system and image that is located right here. And now just simply sorts up for your event, that is Steampunk Frontier, and download it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.